Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the game Surfing Cubes. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Surfing Cubes. This is a very good time killer game. So download it and open it right now. This is the home screen of the app. Now you have to tap on the screen to play. You have to collect all the cubes on your way. And you have to avoid getting hit by the taller red cubes. You have to pass through the shorter red cubes so that you have more cubes. The more cubes you have, the more you are safe. Whenever you run out of cubes and you fall out of cube, your game will be over. And all you have to do is just safely reach to the check mark. And that's how you play the game Surfing Cubes. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.